Stop wasting hours retargeting 3D animations. Doing this in Maya or Blender can drive you crazy. Today, you can do it in 2 clicks, right in your browser. Retargeting means taking a motion from one body and putting it on a completely different body. Different sizes, different bones. Usually, it is a nightmare, but Kinetiq Engine does the translation for you automatically. Step 1. Click Retarget. Step 2. Drop your motion file here. It can be a Mixamo dance, an FBX, or a BVH file. And remember, everything runs client-side. This means your data is 100% private and stays in your browser. Step 3. Pick your target avatar. We support major game engines and custom rigs. Look at this green circle. It shows a 100% automatic match. The engine connects hips to hips, arm to arm instantly. If you need to check details, you can open the bone mapping list to see the perfect translation. Now click Apply Retarget. Look at that. Your target avatar is dancing perfectly. You can play the timeline, use our polish tools to fix loops automatically, or use foot locking to keep the feet firmly on the ground. You need it for other rigs? No problem. Roblox R15. Done. Second Life Bento? Female or male? One click for everything. Step 6. Go to the Export menu and click Export GLB. Your new animation is ready for game engines, web apps, or any 3D software. No plugins, no headache, just pure speed. Let's test the GLB file in Blender. Just import and press play. Look at that. The Unreal Engine 5 character is dancing perfectly. No broken bones, no wrongs. It just works. That is how you retarget like a pro in 2026. 2 clicks and you are done. In the next video, I will show you how our physics and quality score work. Subscribe and try it yourself at thirdrez.com.